We're fascinated here when we hear these designations that we've come to give certain groups. We've got people who are designated as working class. Megan described those as those without a college degree. Well, everybody at this desk has got a college degree, I think. We all work. Why are we not working class? Why are we not working class? What class do you belong to?
It's got something to do with income as well, and
I see.
Yeah, and if you're, and it distinguishes between people who do have a college education who are not, you know, generally speaking, regarded as working class.
Well, I think that the better question is, what about these so-called downscale voters that we were talking about earlier with Fred?
Fred Barnes.
Fred Barnes has a view that all those who support Hillary Clinton are downscale, and so I think we ought to get Fred to further elaborate on his view that they're all downscale.
Well, when I stopped chuckling, look, Mort couldn't explain it, but I can explain to you why we use the phrase working class. It is a euphemism because it's kind of mean to say lower class. It's as simple as that. That's why we call them working class. Everybody knows who we're talking about. We're talking about, Mort, forget it. We're talking about lower class, lower income, less education.
You're not talking about social class, are you?
That too.
Really?
What? Yeah, it means all that. So in case,
working people in the United States of America, working people, union members are regarded as middle class, maybe lower middle class, but middle class.
But I said
lower class. Wait a minute, lower class people are the, you know, almost by definition, poverty-stricken, and these working class Democrats and working class whites and the rest of them are not
lower class. They're middle class.
They're middle class.
Fred?
Don't quit dissing them all the time.
I rest my case.
Well, okay, we're going to leave you out there with the downscale people and calling them lower class, and we just want you to know that we here on this panel do not unanimously endorse that sentiment, that we're all for working families, particularly. And those of you who are working families out there, we appeal to you to bear with us. Thank you very much.